What if I told you that the economy crashing could be the best opportunity to grow your wealth? I know it sounds crazy, right? Everyone's freaking out, selling everything and bracing for the worst. But here's the thing. While most people panic, a small group of people actually get richer during recessions. They know something that most people don't. Economic downturns are like the stock market on sale. Today, I'm revealing how you can make money in any economy. Bull market, bear market, recession, it doesn't matter. We're diving deep into the strategies that can help you not just survive, but thrive, even when everyone else is struggling. Because, let's face it guys, hoping for the best isn't a financial plan. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll have real actionable strategies to build unshakable financial stability. No more living paycheck to paycheck, no more panicking when the market dips. It's time to take control of your financial future, no matter what the economy throws your way. Want to transform your life, grow your wealth, and master success, all while doing your daily routine? Imagine unlocking the secrets of the world's greatest minds, whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing. Good news, your first audiobook is absolutely free. Experience best-selling thrillers, powerful self-development, and epic adventures, all in one tap. Start your free trial now. Get unlimited access to thousands of books. Only $2/month after your 30-day free trial. And guess what? You can cancel anytime. No risks, no regrets. Click the link below and start listening today. Let's talk about building wealth that works for you, even while you sleep. We're talking about cash-flowing assets, things that put money into your pocket every single month. Think of it like this. You buy a vending machine, stock it full of goodies, and people pay you for those snacks 24/7. You're literally making money while you sleep, right? Now imagine that same principle, but on a larger scale. We're talking about assets like rental properties, dividend stocks, or even small online businesses. These are your money-making machines. Let's break it down with a couple of examples. Imagine you invest $10,000 in a solid dividend stock that pays a 5% annual dividend. That's $500 a year, guys, just for owning that stock. And guess what? That money keeps flowing into your account whether the market's up, down, or sideways. Or let's say you buy a simple rental property. People always need a place to live, right? Even during a recession, you collect rent every month covering your mortgage and putting cash in your pocket. See, when you have assets that generate consistent cash flow, you're not as affected by economic downturns. In fact, you might even find amazing deals during those times. Remember, appreciation is great, but cash flow is king. It's the financial cushion that protects you when times get tough. Look, we all know that jobs can come and go, especially during a recession. But you know what's more resilient than any job? Valuable skills. I'm talking about the kind of skills that are always in demand, no matter what's happening in the economy. Think about it. If the economy takes a hit, companies are going to cut back on what they see as non-essential positions. But they're going to hold on tight to the people who can help them adapt, innovate, and generate revenue, even in tough times. So what are these recession-proof skills? Let's dive in. Sales and negotiation are always at the top of the list. Every business needs to sell to survive, right? And they need skilled negotiators to close those deals. Then there's digital marketing. The online world is only getting bigger, and businesses need people who can navigate it. People who can run ads, build websites, and connect with customers online. Coding and tech support are also incredibly valuable. Everything is becoming more digital, and those who can build and fix technology will always be in high demand. And let's not forget about healthcare services. People will always need healthcare professionals regardless of the economic climate. Remember what happened in 2020? While restaurants and retail stores were shutting down, freelance copywriters and digital marketers were busier than ever. Why? Because businesses needed to adapt to the online world, and they needed skilled people to help them do it. The lesson here is clear. Invest in yourself. Develop recession-proof skills, and you'll never have to beg for a paycheck. You'll be the one employers fight to keep. Chapter 3. Let's face it, relying on just one source of income is risky. Imagine building a house on just one pillar. It wouldn't be very stable, would it? That's why the wealthy never put all their eggs in one basket. They diversify their income streams, creating multiple pillars of financial support. Think of it like this. You have your main job, that's one stream. Now imagine you also rent out a spare room on Airbnb. That's another income stream. And maybe you invest a portion of your earnings in dividend stocks. There's another one. See how that works? It's like having a safety net beneath your financial tightrope walk. If one income stream takes a hit, say, you lose your job, the others are there to catch you. You're not starting from scratch, you've got options. Remember that table analogy I mentioned earlier? The more legs it has, the sturdier it is. The same goes for your finances. Having multiple income streams makes you more resilient to economic shocks. Chapter 4. This is where things get really interesting, guys. While most people are running for the hills during a recession, selling their assets at a loss, the wealthy see opportunity. They understand that fear and panic can create some of the best buying opportunities. Remember the legendary investor Warren Buffett? He famously said, "Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful." And he's not wrong. When the market crashes and everyone is selling, that's when you can find incredible deals on assets that are undervalued. Think back to the 2008 financial crisis. It was a scary time, no doubt. But while most people were panicking and selling their stocks at rock-bottom prices, savvy investors saw an opportunity. They bought those stocks at huge discounts and rode the market back up, making a killing in the process. Of course, this doesn't mean you should go all in on risky investments during a downturn. But it does mean that you should be educating yourself, doing your research, and looking for opportunities where others see only fear. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand about investing, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions, even when the market is volatile. Chapter 5. You know, it's funny, we often think that making more money is the key to financial security. But the truth is, managing your spending is even more important. Why? Because every dollar you save is a dollar you can invest, and every dollar you invest is a dollar working to build your wealth. Think of it like this, you get a $5,000 bonus at work. You could go out and spend it all, right? Or you could invest it in a dividend-paying stock, a rental property down payment, or even just a high-yield savings account. That money is now working for you, generating passive income or growing in value over time. Living below your means isn't about depriving yourself, it's about giving yourself options. It's about having the financial freedom to weather any storm. Imagine two families, both earning the same income. One family spends every penny they make, while the other saves 20% of their income and invests it wisely. Now imagine a recession hits and one of the breadwinners in each family loses their job. Which family do you think is going to be better off? The family that's been living paycheck to paycheck, or the family that has a financial cushion and investments generating income? The answer is clear. Wealth isn't just about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep and grow. So take control of your spending, invest wisely, and watch your financial stability soar. Outro. So remember, money can be made in any economy, but only if you know what to do. Build those cash-flowing assets that work for you 24/7. Develop in-demand skills that make you indispensable. Create multiple income streams to diversify your income and protect yourself from economic shocks. Be bold and invest when others are panicking. That's when the real opportunities emerge. And most importantly, control your spending. It's not about deprivation, it's about empowerment. The people who succeed financially aren't always the smartest ones in the room. They're the ones who prepared, who saw the storm clouds gathering and built a solid financial foundation that could weather any storm. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these strategies are you going to focus on first? Let me know in the comments below. I'm reading every single one. And hey, if you found this valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for more weekly money growth strategies, and check out the description for free resources to fast-track your wealth journey. Remember, tough times don't last, but tough, smart people do. Gap 2S, outro. So remember, money can be made in any economy, but only if you know what to do. Build those cash-flowing assets that work for you 24/7. Develop in-demand skills that make you indispensable. Create multiple income streams to diversify your income and protect yourself from economic shocks. Be bold and invest when others are panicking. That's when the real opportunities emerge. And most importantly, control your spending. It's not about deprivation, it's about empowerment. The people who succeed financially aren't always the smartest ones in the room. They're the ones who prepared, who saw the storm clouds gathering and built a solid financial foundation that could weather any storm. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these strategies are you going to focus on first? Let me know in the comments below. I'm reading every single one, and hey, if you found this valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for more weekly money growth strategies, and check out the description for free resources to fast-track your wealth journey. Remember, tough times don't last, but tough, smart people do. Scene 8. Book bundle offer, 4 books for Rs $2.99, emotion, 4 music, upbeat, motivational, energetic, gap 2S. And if you love reading game-changing books, we have an unbeatable deal just for you. Get 4 life-changing books for just Rs $2.99. Switch to high-energy visuals of book covers and famous authors like Dale Carnegie, Napoleon Hill, and Joseph Murphy. Build lasting connections, unlock limitless potential, master timeless wealth-building principles. The ultimate blueprint for success. For just $4 you get the wisdom of legends. Don't miss out, order now. Show limited time offer flashing on screen. Don't wait, success starts with the right knowledge. Click the links in the description, grab your 4-book bundle for just $4 before the deal expires. Show countdown timer effect and final CTA screen with Start Now button.